In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync WhatsApp contacts. Keeping your WhatsApp contacts properly synced is important so that everyone in your phone's address book appears correctly inside WhatsApp. When things aren't synced, you might see phone numbers instead of names, or some people might not show up at all, even though they're saved on your device. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the key settings to check, and what to do if your contacts still aren't appearing as expected. First, open WhatsApp on your phone. Make sure you're using the official WhatsApp app from the App Store, and that it's updated to the latest version. An outdated app can sometimes cause syncing glitches, so if you haven't updated in a while, it's worth doing that before you continue. Once WhatsApp is open, go to the Chats tab. Then look for the new chat icon, usually found at the bottom right on Android or at the top right on iPhone. Tap that to bring up your contact list inside WhatsApp. If your contacts are properly synced, you should see the names you recognize from your phone's address book. If you mostly see numbers or missing people, that tells us syncing needs to be fixed. To do that, we'll start by checking your phone's permission settings. On Android, go to your device settings, then find Apps or Applications, and select WhatsApp from the list. Tap Permissions, and make sure contacts access is allowed. If it's set to deny or ask every time, switch it to allow, so WhatsApp can read your phone's address book. On iPhone, go to Settings, scroll down to WhatsApp, and confirm that Contacts is turned on. Without this permission, WhatsApp simply can't sync your saved contacts. After enabling permissions, go back into WhatsApp. On Android, open the three-dot menu in the top right. Tap Settings, then Contacts. Here, you may see an option called Show All Contacts or something similar. Turn that on so WhatsApp includes every contact that's stored on your device. Now, return to the new chat screen and pull down to refresh the contact list. This forces WhatsApp to rescan your phone's address book and update the list. If a contact still isn't appearing, double-check that their number is saved correctly in your phone, including the correct country code. Only contacts who have WhatsApp installed will show up as WhatsApp contacts. Sometimes it helps to delete the contact, save it again, and refresh the list once more. By carefully checking permissions, enabling contact visibility, and refreshing your list, you can usually resolve almost any WhatsApp contact syncing issue.